Hello dear student, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel. It is solution of challenging math question class. In this class, question 125, we want to solve this question. If 1 over a plus 1 over b is equal to 1 over a plus b and a over b whole cube plus b over a cube is equal to 2 into square root of n, then find the value of n. N is equal to question mark. Here we want to solve this question. First, we simplify this equation. 1 over a plus 1 over b is equal to 1 over a plus b. Here we take common denominator according the rule of fraction. A into b divided by a, we can write b plus a b divided by b, we get a is equal to 1 over a plus b, or we can write a plus b over a into b is equal to 1 over a plus b. Now we multiply a plus b by a plus b. This implies a plus b whole square is equal to a into b. This implies a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a into b. This implies a square plus b square is equal to, if we take 2ab right side, we get minus a into b. We have 2ab plus ab. If 2ab goes to right side, it will become minus 2ab. Minus 2ab plus ab, it is equal to minus ab. It is the value of a square plus b square. Now, here we can write a over b to the power 3 plus b over a whole to the power 3 is equal to 2 into square root of n. We have a formula. We have a cube x cube plus b cube is equal to a cube plus y cube is equal to x plus b into x plus y. Is x plus y into x square plus y square minus x into y. By using this formula, we can write a over b whole cube plus b over a whole cube is equal to, according this formula, we can write a over b plus b over a into, by using this formula, a plus x plus y. X plus y, a over b plus b over a into x square, a over b whole square plus b over a whole square plus b a over b x into y, a over b into b over a who closed bracket. It is equal to, we can write here, if we take a common denominator a into b, a into b divided by b, we get a multiplied by a square plus ab divided by a b multiplied by b square into a over b whole square plus b over a whole square. These two cancelled, we get minus. Here is minus. According this formula, also here we have to write minus 1. Now it is equal to, we have a square plus b square is equal to minus ab over ab into, we can write here, we have a formula, since x square plus y square is equal to x plus y whole square minus 2 into x into y. We have this formula. According to this formula, it is x, it is b. Then we can write, here we can write x instead of, we can write a over b whole square. We have instead of x we can write a over b plus, instead y we can write b by over a whole square minus 2 into a over b into b over a minus 2 into x into y minus 1. It is equal to minus ab divided by ab, we get minus 1 into, also we take common denominator here, we get a into b, a into b divided by b, we get a multiplied by a square plus a into b divided by a, b multiplied by b square whole square minus 2 into a by a cancelled and b by b cancelled, we get minus 2 minus 1. It is equal to minus 1 multiplied by a square plus b square. Instead a square plus b square, we can write minus a into b divided by a into b whole square minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. It is equal to minus 1 into minus 1 ab divided by ab, we get minus 1 whole square minus 1 whole square minus 3. It is equal to minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 whole square, it is equal to 1 minus 3. It is equal to minus 1 into 1 plus 1 minus 3 minus 2. It is equal to minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 minus 2, it is equal to 2n. Here 2 square root of n. 2 square root of n. 2 square root of n is equal to 2. Divided both sides by 2. This implies square root of n is equal to 1. This implies n is equal to 1. It is the answer of this question. Actually, the expression a over b whole cube plus b over a whole cube is equal to 2 square root of n. We find the value of a over b whole cube plus b over a whole to the power 3 is equal to 2. So it is equal to also 2 into square root of n. Now 2 into square root of n is equal to 2, both sides divided by 2, we get square root of n is equal to 1. This implies n is equal to 1. Dear students, if you like our videos, please subscribe and share with your friends.